Well, hey there, forensics friends. So, I had a request in terms of dealing with the DNA sequence, and I thought, what the heck? We'll go over it, kind of give you the answers, and then we don't have to worry about that part of it. So, the scenario we have set up, if you look through, is we've got a dead body in a tub, and there's some suspicious activity going on in that the body has signs like there was an attempted suicide with slashes on the wrist, but there was blood in the living room, and there was blood on the side of the tub, and the victim had ligature marks around the neck, looking like that she'd been strangled. So what we've got then is DNA from the victim, and DNA from the blood drop from the side of the tub. And these designators, like here, the D5S81, these are the CODIS sites, the CODIS alleles. And remember that you got a DNA, a chromosome from mom and a chromosome from dad. So consequently, we have two different possible CODIS sequences, one from mom, one from dad. And what we're looking at is the number of the repeat sequences. So the easy way to do this is you compare the sequences and see they're the same length. But more officially, what you do is you look in here and you identify the repeat sequence. And so it is going to be, something like either TAGA or AGAT, whichever you feel like doing. And so we got one, and you just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 repeats there, and 7 repeats here. All right, and you then go down here and you look to see we'll call it a GATA repeat. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when you compare the repeat numbers of the different CODIS sites, so there's 5S81, the CSF1, 7S82, 8S11, you compare them, you look to see if they're identical numbers of repeat sequences. And just spoiler alert, they are not the same. So the next thing to do, the next step, would be to isolate or to bring the boyfriend in and take a cheek swab and run a CODIS set on him. And I bet we're going to find that he matches the blood stain from the tub. And we don't know until we do it, but a possible scenario is that she was strangled in the living room and then dumped in the tub. The mope took the sharp blade, made the slashes in the wrist post-mortem, and somehow in the process cut himself. And that's what we're seeing. So he tried to hide the fact that he strangled his girlfriend by making it look like a suicide. So that should give you some help in looking at the DNA sequence. All you do is go through and compare the sizes of these different fragments. You can also just look at the repeat sequence. And so you just get your best guess here. You have GATA, GATA, GATA is the repeat sequence for this one. For this guy, we've got AGAT, AGAT, AGAT. For this guy, we've got, AGAT, 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 AGAT. So the same kind of repeat sequence there. And for 8, it is a CAT let's see, what is it? I'm looking here to decide where this repeat starts. And CAT. Yeah, so this one is a CTAT, CTAT, CTAT. So you just look for the repeats and then count them up and then go to the other set and compare. And as I said, an easy way to look at it is just see where the sequence is in terms of its alignment on the page. So these two alleles are identical. And if you go down here, you can see that this one doesn't have the ACA at the end. It's a little bit longer. It's got an extra set of repeats in it. So that's the way I do it. Just check this one out, D7S82. And you can see that there is a significant difference in the line. So that means there's a significant difference in the repeat number. So in your report, you would note that the CODIS patterns are not identical, and that means that the blood drop is not from the victim. Hopefully that helps. Good luck, and I'll check in with you later. So hit me up if you have any more questions and if this is not making sense, but hopefully this will clear things up a bit. All right, we'll see you guys.